Changing your primary email on Seacoast National Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Seacoast National Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.